In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a lateral step up using a Bosu ball, a fantastic exercise to start to incorporate balance and proprioception into someone's training, as well as how to rehab the ankle in that lateral plane of movement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand to the side. This can be either side of the Bosu ball. I'm going to bring my left foot here because it's closest in contact with the middle of the Bosu ball. And I'm going to bring it into the middle of the Bosu ball. I'm then going to bring my right leg into the same position and stabilize before bringing my left foot off and my right foot back down. And I can repeat again, right foot, left foot, stabilize, right foot, left foot, left foot, right foot, stabilize, left foot, right foot, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That would be how to do a lateral step up using a Bosu ball.